When was the last time you gave yourself an hour to slow down, to breathe, and just focus on you? Hi, I'm Katie, founder of Growing Wellness. We deliver mobile wellness experiences across Pennsylvania and Ohio. Today is your personal invitation to come join a succulents and self-care workshop. It's 1 hour guided, hands-on experience where you create your own succulent arrangement while also taking time for your own care. This isn't your typical plant workshop. It's a space for everyone, no matter your age or stage of life, where you can step in, slow down, and just be. From the moment you walk in, you can feel it. There's no pressure, no expectations, just space to enjoy yourself. At Growing Wellness, we believe well-being is unique to everyone. That's why each workshop begins with your choice. Your vessel, your plant, you pick something that feels like you. And as we create, we connect plant care with people care through simple, real-life practices that fit into your busy day. If you've been needing a little you time, this is it. Visit growingwellnessconsulting.com to subscribe to our newsletter, come join a workshop, or bring this experience to your workplace. We'd love to grow with you. Hope to see you soon.